Ge3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, exercise number 8D, Scipy. What is Scipy? Scipy is a scientific computation library. Scipy stands for Scientific Python, and it provides more utility function for optimization and signal processing. Like NumPy, Scipy is open source, so we can use it freely. Let's see the lab exercise. Exercise number 8D, implementing Python program using Scipy library. A, to write a Python program using Scipy library. Algorithm. Step 1, install Scipy library and then check the version of Python. Step 2, keyword import is used to get the Scipy library. Step 3, dot operator is used to get the pi value. Step 4, print pi value. Step 5, stop the program. Let's see the program. From Scipy library, import constants. One particular module is imported. So here the next print that module constants dot pi built-in function is called. So the output 3.14159, like that you will get the pi value. Let's see the execution part in Python. After installed the Scipy, click the start, type cmd command prompt. To check the Python version, type py -- version, enter. So the Python version is 3.10.2. Now enter into the Python. So now type the Scipy program from Scipy import constants, then enter, then print constants dot pi, then enter. You got the output 3.141592. okay, like that. This way you can get the output while accessing the Scipy library. In the description box I have given the link, that is how to install Python, how to install Scipy library. You can refer that. Result: thus the Python program using Scipy library was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood the concept of what is Scipy library and how to install Scipy library. Inside that, how we can execute this program. Thank you.